Hi everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can import photos or videos to CapCut PC. So here I've already on CapCut and I want to add my photo or videos into this CapCut. So what you need to do is click on the media here, and then after that you can go to local, and here you can find there's an import button in here, and you can just click on this plus icon to import videos, audios, or also photos. Just click on that, and then you can just choose which of the photos that you want to use, photos or videos. So for example, I want to add 5 of this, and then after that just click on open, and the files will be imported in CapCut. And to add it to track, you can just click on the plus icon in here, for example, like this. Okay, so that's all for me. If you get any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if you think the video is helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye bye.